Have you ever heard of a clear, color-changing glossy blush? This is the brand new Huda Beauty Pretty Grunge Blush Gloss. It looks like it's a metallic highlighter, but it's actually a clear gloss. I think this is really cool. It reacts to the pH of your skin. So let's do a little swatch. Okay, look at that. Do you see the color of that? Wow, that's actually really pretty. Let's see if it looks like the same color on my face. Okay, so I'm gonna use a beauty sponge to apply this. I think something's happening. Oh yeah, there's the glossiness. Okay, so let's see how long it takes for it to change pink. Okay, the gloss and the highlight is actually really freaking pretty, but I'm not getting much pink for some reason. Why don't I see much pink? My sponge looks pink. I think it's pretty, but I'm not getting much blush color. I'm not getting much pink like I did on my finger. I wonder if this works better underneath foundation because maybe it needs to be touching like my bare skin. I don't know. I think it's really pretty though on the skin. Like that gloss is gorgeous. I'll probably just use this for a highlighter, honestly. So if you have used this before, let me know if you have had a better color payoff than I did, or if it's just me. This retails for $39. So $39 is pretty steep for just some gloss because I'm not really getting any color.